Hello, I'm Shubham. I hope everyone is doing well. So, in today's video, we're going to explore a powerful way to engage with users through editing and onboarding flow. I'll show you how to select a template, customize, and get it published. Let's begin with the configuration. From your main dashboard, navigate to Campaigns in the left sidebar and then select the Templates option. Here you'll find a variety of campaign types, including onboarding. For onboarding, you have two options, the multi-page onboarding quiz and the single-page onboarding quiz. As the name suggests, the multi-page option is ideal for complex flows with many questions across different pages, while the single page is perfect for a quick, focused survey. The process is the same for both, but in this video, let's select the single-page template. Here, you'll need to set a title and provide a brief description. You can also add tags to help organize your campaigns later. Once filled, click Let's Get Creative. On the left, you'll see a panel with several key options. Edit tab to modify the content, Theme tab to apply a pre-made theme as per your branding. User targeting lets you define who sees this campaign, and Code tab provides the necessary code for deployment. After making all your changes, you can use the preview button to see exactly how the flow will look to your users. Once you're happy with the final result, click the Publish button in the top right corner. And that's all. Your onboarding flow is now live. In future, if you ever need to make changes, simply go to the My Campaign section, click the three-dot menu next to your campaign, and select Edit to make any updates. This allows you to continuously refine your onboarding experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to provide feedback so we can make your PLG OS journey wonderful.